Spark Engine is a new training program for product innovation. So we focus on key practices, key mindset, key principles to help product managers spark innovation within their context. So find new opportunities, develop new products, create a culture within the organization that really is innovation driven, so they can deliver more value to their customers and to their organization. So the idea behind Spark Engine is that learning things in a void doesn't really help to retain the concept. So of course we want to teach things, we want to teach new methodologies, new frameworks and so on, but we want to give the space to apply these new principles. So it's a 3-day program where students or participants go through a series of workshops where they learn theories, they learn principles and so on, and they apply them to a product, to a project that they're working on. And then it's followed by 6 weeks of coaching, where during the 6 weeks they have a sort of a schedule to follow, where they apply 6 major modules to a real-life project they are working on in their job, if they will. And they get coaching on how to do that, so that at the end of the program they have not only learned new skills, new practices, new methodologies, but they actually have applied them to a real-life project and they become awesome product managers. There are a few training programs where you can learn product management skill set and so on, but what is often missing is the practical approach, especially following the training experience in the class. The perception that there is a void in the marketplace or something that is concrete. But also in speaking with several stakeholders at different organizations, they wanted to train their product manager, they wanted to train their teams, and they wanted a blend of theory, so classroom training experience, and practice, hands-on coaching, working with the team to really apply what they learned. And so the Spark Engine is designed to provide a blend of the two. Students or participants get experience in, they learn new skills in the classroom, and then they get the coaching to actually apply what they learn and improve their skills on the job.